how to backup only photos that you have favorited to Google account on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. From here, tap on backup data in Google Drive. Then go down and tap on photos and videos. Here, tap on backup only favorites. Tap on the toggle button to turn this on, and this will only backup photos that you have favorited to your Google account. After that, you can tap on the back key. If you want, you can tap on backup now to immediately perform the backup. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.